Okay, I'm really nervous about this video. So it took me quite a few days just to think on what exactly should I say in this video. And the reason of that is because firstly, I had to apologize to my fans for the first time. And then the second reason is that I had to share a part of my life to the public for the first time, which is kind of a weird feeling. Also, in the meantime, while I'm recording this video, I literally have not prepared myself. I haven't planned what I'm going to say. So, everything's natural coming out of my mind. Please forgive me if I say something stupid. Or, yeah, let's just see how it goes. And this is where the story begins. So, if you have been subscribed to my channel or if you have been in my Discord server for quite some time, then you may have noticed that a while back, which is a month or two, I announced that I won't be recording or uploading any videos for quite some time. And the reason of that was because I was moving out to a different location since I was living in a zoo, which basically means I was unable to record my beautiful voice, my delicious, amazing voice, which you guys all were waiting for. I know, trust me. Anyways, that's where everything started. And then after that, my life just became dominant on me. I don't know. So, aside from that, my studies also started. I had to take it more seriously because if you all know that 2 years ago, everything was online due to COVID-19, and now everything is in person. So, it took me a while. I had to get adapted to in person classes again. That's one other reason. And aside from that, my jobs and yeah, everything that happens in life, basically. So yeah, that's where everything just, pushed me back on uploading videos. And for that, I would like to apologize that I'm really sorry I haven't been in touch with you all. I haven't really uploaded videos for a month or two. And of course, I've missed all of you guys. You guys are, a huge fan to me. You guys are, I don't know, I'm married to you guys. We'll stay in touch forever. Don't worry. Yeah. So let's move on from here. But as we speak about this, while I was away, you guys have also actually surprised me. So later this month, in the beginning of September, we have also actually hit 100k views, which may not seem something really huge, but to me, that is a very huge thing. Now, generally, my videos are really not entertainment. Almost all of them are educational, aside from this one. So, which basically means if someone is having an issue on a certain topic, they search and then they go for the video and look on that specific video. And me knowing that 100,000 people have searched up and have seen my videos, which may have helped them in some way, means a lot to me. So I want to thank you all for choosing my videos specifically from all other 100,000 videos out there, which also kind of gives me the motivation that I have been helping people out and I should be doing more, better, and great, which we will hopefully in the future. By the way, now, this is kind of weird to mention, but if you've been wondering what's this game that I've been playing, this blocky kind of game, it's actually Roblox, and the only reason why I'm playing this game is because this is the only game that I can currently play. It's the only game that smoothly runs on my desktop at the moment. So, which means I don't really have a good gaming PC. And talking about this brings me to the subject of my donation page, which I have recently launched. Yes, so I recently launched a donation page for my supporters and my fans who are actually interested in supporting me out. So if you are able to, or if you can, if you want to, you can just leave a tip here and there, which is kind of going to make my life easier on my YouTube and in real life both. And aside from that, I have specifically created a specific donation page for my PC setup. So instead, if you are interested in helping me with building a new PC setup game, which could improve the video quality, the gaming quality, and everything, the audio quality, whatever you want, that's going to be really helpful to me. So if you are interested, if you would like to support in this way as well on a specific goal, please feel free to share. I'm going to link both of those donation pages in the description below. So feel free to check it out. Okay, enough ranting about my life and it has been dominant on me and I have been submissive and so forth. Now let's talk about our future. So now that I'm back on releasing new videos, uploading new videos, hopefully, which I'm trying to do every once in a while now, I have also planned that I'm now going to upload the latest updates that will be out there on Discord. So any new updates, any new features that are going to be released within Discord, I'm going to release a video on that specific topic. Now, there are some previous updates which I have missed. I can't really go into deep details on how to use them and so forth, but what I can do is I can mention a few of them. So if you are not aware of it, you can just go and check them out right now. So there's the very first one, which is very recent. It just got released this week, which is the new forums channel. Now, the new forums channel is basically a new channel, new type of channel, which kind of looks like a Reddit to me, but its main purpose of use is most likely to, have a discussion. So, if you are having a discussion on a specific topic in a text chat, a different topic might pop up and the previous topic might just like go all the way up. I know it's annoying. So in the forums channel, you basically create a post on a specific topic that you want. And then, other people are going to basically join that specific topic and have a long discussion on that specific topic. So every topics are going to be separated. They're not really going to get mixed up and so forth. So, use it on your own ease. There is no restriction on that. So that's one of the latest features. The other feature is the device option in your settings. Now, this is actually a really great, cool feature Discord actually released. I'm really proud of that. It's a recent feature as well. So if you head to your settings here, whether on your desktop or your mobile app, you're going to head to your settings and then you're going to see the option that says device or devices. Now, this is really beneficial because let's just say that your account gets hacked and you are really, worried that someone else is having access to your account on a different device. What you can do is you can basically head to the device options here, and then you can click on that specific device to log out. That is literally one of the coolest features, Your account is actually now safe. So that's the other feature. The third feature is that you can change the nicknames of your friends who are in your friend list. So, in your DMs, you can go to your friend list and you can literally change the names of any members you want. It's basically a nickname, it's just like visible to you. Others can't really see that. So that's just specific to you. That's the latest update. And then the fourth update, which is actually not a public feature yet. It's still a beta feature, but hopefully it's going to be released in the future to everyone, which is custom profile theme. Now, with this feature, you can basically, set up your custom profile, change the colors, have gradient colors as well, which is really cool. And as well have a custom avatar borders, which is like the, rounded icon thing around your profile picture. So that's another fourth feature, which we're hopefully going to see in the future. And yeah, that's basically all. Those are some of the latest updates that I have missed. There are actually the recent ones. There may be more in the past that I have not really covered with, but hopefully I'm going to make an in-depth video on those specific topics, on how to use them and whatever you can do with that, just like the way I generally do. Anyways, long video for today. Thank you everyone for watching. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, join my Discord server. We're almost close to 1,000 subscribers, so I may just do multiple Nitro giveaways. If I see a lot of people joining on my Discord channel and being active and so forth, bring it to a positive use, join, learn something, have fun and so forth. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you in the upcoming videos. Hopefully.